how to install Shadcn UI in Vite. Okay, going to Vite, npm create Vite latest. Okay, copy. It will ask you for the name of the project. Okay, I will choose React 19. This is React 19 with TypeScript. After that, cd inside Vite, then install the packages. After that, we need to install Tailwind. So I will open another terminal, install Tailwind. We have to go to index.css. I will open another terminal. Okay, open VS Code. Here, VS Code. For the new project, going to index.css, delete everything, and add Tailwind. Import Tailwind. Then number 3, to edit tsconfig.json. Copy over everything from here and add it. Then number 4, tsconfig.app.json. tsconfig. Remove comments, it make issue here. Then copying these lines, adding in the compiler options. Down in the compiler options, we are adding this base URL. Okay. After that, you need to install resolve buses without error. If you want to resolve buses without error, you have to add this as well. Okay, here, what was the error here? Okay, installing types.node. Now everything I think is okay, except for vite.config.ts as well. We have to go to this file, copy everything from here, and add as well. As you will see, it is like copy paste only. Now we have to initialize Shadcn. I will close this one. It will ask you for the color you prefer. I will choose neutral. Okay, then use force, because some dependencies may not compatible with React 19 yet. Okay, use force, installing dependencies. Now time to npm run dev. Before that, we will add a button to check if shad working. We have added button. Okay, use force. Okay, after that we will go to app.js and add check if the button works. app.tsx. okay, paste everything here. Okay, npm run dev. And as you can see, here is the Shadcn button. It works. Thank you.